Hello everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As the title of this video suggests, I have something important to share with you. And since I don't like showing my face in the camera, I'm sorry, I thought it would be nice if I do a project and talk to you about these things at the same time. So I've decided that I'm going to do something that's really relaxing for me, and hopefully it will be fun for you to watch as well. And that is to create Masterboard with my stamps, silicone stamp Masterboard. I'm going to use some deli paper or butcher paper as the base. And I'm going to use some permanent ink, some gloss acrylic varnish, some just white plain napkins, dried flower petals, and some acrylic spray inks. I've done a video on this topic some time ago, and it was called Do It Yourself 12 by 12 Textured Papers with Napkins and Clear Glue, so something like that. But the main difference between that process and this one is that I'm going to use varnish instead of glue today, and I'm going to stamp the paper first. If you are new to my channel or you haven't seen that video, the link will be down below in the description. So now that I've explained what I'm doing today, I should explain why I changed the name of my YouTube channel from Saacibo to my own name. In short, it was unintentional and it is also temporary. But the long story, that's something different. Those of you who are in my Facebook group Crafting with Saacibo already know or suspect the reason. But I felt the need to explain it to every subscriber in case you only knew me as Saacibo. I just wanted to clear the confusion. So, here's the story. Earlier this week, a few days ago, I was on a break having a cup of coffee and reading through some of your comments and trying to answer them. I received a notification on my phone from YouTube Studio about a live stream video that was streaming from my YouTube channel. And in first instance, I thought that was a notification about someone else's channel that I subscribed to, and I took no action. And then I realized, oh my God, that's on my channel, a live stream, but how, who, when? You know, I was in a panic mode, so I've quickly went to check it, and really there was a video streaming live about some Bitcoin happening. Then I realized that someone changed the name of my channel. They changed the banner. They replaced my photo with some logo of some company, and I thought I was going to have a heart attack. A million things went through my mind. But the thought that was the loudest in my head was, your channel has been hacked or hijacked. And I thought, that's not possible. It can't be. I would have received a notification on my phone about someone trying to sign in and do all of this. And then I remembered that in YouTube Studio, you can have other people assigned to different roles. For example, you can invite people to contribute to your YouTube channel, to give them role of an editor or a manager or administrator. And in a split second, I remembered that when I first started uploading videos, I had someone who was trustworthy helping me with all of this. And guess what? It was my husband. But I just could not believe he would do that. He was on a video call with a client, and then he just burst into the room saying that his account has been hacked and that I should check mine. And then it was clear as a day I had to forbid him from accessing my YouTube Studio because it wasn't actually him. It was someone who took over his account. So I did that as quickly as I could to prevent any further damage. Real life drama. What can I say? It's funny now, but it wasn't at the time. So the next few minutes were really crucial, and as a precaution, I decided to quickly change all my passwords and everything that's connected to my YouTube in case they try to access my account as well. And then I went to change back everything else, such as banner and the logo and my photo and the name of the channel. And as you can imagine, I was really upset. I wasn't really thinking straight, and I was doing all of this in such a hurry that without thinking, in the field which says name, instead of typing Saacibo, I typed my own name. What can I say? I made a mistake. And after I deleted that video and checked that everything else is how it's supposed to be, I realized I made a mistake. So I went back to change it. And then I couldn't, because YouTube has this policy where you can change the channel's name twice in any 14-day period. So I guess my name is going to be the name of the channel until I'm able to change it back to Saacibo, which is going to be in a few days, hopefully. So yeah, that's the reason I changed the name of my YouTube channel. I just wanted to clear that up so that people know it's still me. And since then, I took every possible precaution to prevent something like this to happen again. Although one can never be 100% sure, but we can all do the best we can, and that's what I did. I sincerely hope that whoever did this, it was just a prank or a joke, and that it wasn't really some evil plan to actually steal my channel. I really hope that people are not always so mean and evil and they would do something like that, because I would have lost basically 3.5 years of work, of hours and hours and days and months of preparation and creating these videos, and I would have been devastated if everything was gone just like that in a split of a second. I didn't mention any of this in the previous video because that video was already recorded and edited and ready to be published before any of this happened. And now things are back to normal. Hopefully from next week everything will be as I planned. This whole thing threw my plans off a little bit because I had to obviously secure everything and do the backup and all of that. And there's a lesson in all of this, that I should be more vigilant about these things. And hopefully you will never have to deal with something like this. Make sure to keep your password safe and keep a hard copy of everything. Do not keep it on your computers or phones, because in this day and age, with all the technology that's available now, in the wrong hands, it can do a real damage. So yeah, I hope you like what I made. My masterboard, that was a lot of fun. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for staying with me, and I hope I see you soon in the next video very soon. Bye for now.